Let's convert the cost of 480 marks to dollars. So I want to multiply this by a factor where marks will cancel and I'm left with dollars. And we've got this factor. So $1 is to 1.6 marks. And then the marks cancel. So you've got 480 over 1.6. Now I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 10. But I'm not going to multiply 480 by 10. I'm just going to leave that 10 there. But I am going to multiply the 1.6 by 10, and that's going to move the decimal over, and you'll have a whole number. So let me rewrite that. So what I have, multiply top and bottom by 10. So I've got 480 times 10 over a 16. And 16 will go into 480 30 times, and 30 times 10 is 300. So he paid 300. And then he sells it for 2,385 francs. And I want to convert that to dollars. I want to multiply by a factor that will cancel the francs. And we know that 5.3 francs is $1. I'm using this top one. So I've got 2,385 over 5.3, multiply top and bottom by 10, 2,385 times a 10 over a 53, and I did long division. 53 into 2,385. Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that'll go 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. That's going to be 21. That's 6, 2, 6, 5. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then multiply it by 10. That gives me 450. So $450 minus $300 is $150 profit.